Hey scientists, today we're going to be exploring about soil. So by the end, I want you to be able to explain how soil is made and describe its parts. Alright, so I want us to warm up our brains and ask ourselves a question, right? With this question, I want you to just think to yourself and ask yourself, what do you think soil is made out of, right? Is it just dirt or is there something more? Because a lot of times when you just look at soil, you just think it's dirt. But when you pay attention to detail, you're able to find more within the soil. So you're gonna have your journals out, right? And in your journals, just write down or draw what you think is in soil. So now I just want you to pause the video and think and record your ideas onto your journal. All right, so soil is actually made of a lot of things, right? So if you really break it down, you're able to find tiny pieces of rock, salt, silt, clay, etc., organic matters, so like leaves that fall off the tree, dead bugs that end up dying and falling to the dirt, plants. You also find water from rain, from people, dropping their water bottles, or like just water faucet, the water drainage outside that drops down water. Then you got water drainage from apartments, houses, and whatnot, and then also air. So as you mix these things over time, these rocks break down and the plants decompose. So before we dive into our activity, we're gonna watch a quick BrainPOP Jr video, and it's called Soil. As you're watching the video, just pay attention to it and then ask yourself questions, and then just really think in depth of what the video is trying to teach you. And then if you have any questions you think of while watching the video, just write it down in your journal so you won't forget. And when the video is over, we can talk about it. You can ask me to talk about it as a class. So I just want you to ask yourself, like, what helps break rocks into soil? Why is organic matter important? So now we're gonna play the video, and then pause this video, and then we're gonna return after watching. All right. So after watching the video, now we're gonna dive into our lab. So now it's time for our science investigation. What's in our soil? So we'll be collecting a sample of soil and mixing it with water and observe what we see and what happens when we observe it, mix it in with water. So we're gonna gather our supplies. So if you look down here with me, right, you'll need a clear cup, as I showed you in the beginning of the video, some soil from outside. You can get sand, any type of soil. It can have grass, leaves, it doesn't matter. You can use anything. Make sure you grab a spoon, right, so you can mix it after you're done. Obviously your water, you'll be next to a sink, or there'll be water provided to you. And then you're gonna need your pencil, marker, and then your scientific journal, right? So now we're gonna pause the video, and I want you guys to work as a team to gather your materials so we can dive into the lab. So now, right, we're gonna use our soil, right, and we're gonna scoop it into our cup halfway. So you can get closer. So make sure you're up to halfway. I'm not gonna put too much because I don't wanna make a mess. So we'll keep it there in case we do mess up. We have a little bit more, so make sure you fill up the cup that you do have your soil in. So in case anything happens where you mess up, you're able to repeat the process. So now we're gonna pour water until it's almost full, right? So you grab it, make sure you fill it up all the way full. Not too full because you still gotta mix, so we'll keep it there. So you see how it is right there? It's not all the way filled up, but you have enough space to be able to mix it. So once you're done, gently stir it for 30 minutes. And when you're stirring it, just pay attention. Do you feel it, right? Why is it like hard when you're first starting to stir it, and over time, why is it starting to dissolve? Not 30 minutes, 30 seconds. I apologize. I got ahead of myself. But just think to yourself, why is it getting mushy? Why was it hard to mix at first? And now why is it getting easier as I stir, right? And as the 30 seconds go by, just be paying attention, looking, right? There's a lot you can already see. So if you get closer, right? Can you get closer, please? In the show. You see what's going on, right? All right, so that's 30 seconds, okay? So now we're just gonna let the cup sit still for 1 to 2 minutes. All right, welcome back, guys. So once you're done and you sit still for 2 minutes, just make sure you rinse off your spoon just so you can get ahead on cleaning up. And then you can leave it in the sink or on a paper napkin if I end up providing you one throughout the lab. So now here, I'm gonna take over. So as you can see, right, if you look, you have all the, I want you to observe what is going on, right? So if you watch closely, you can see all the heavier materials sink down to the bottom, right? And all the lighter stuff are gonna be floating to the top. Now I want you to pause and think about it and just observe it and talk with your partner or team nearby, and then just see what you guys are able to come up with. So now I want you guys to draw what you see in your cup and label where do you think the sand and the rocks are at. So obviously they're going to be at the bottom, right? Then you got this still and clay in the middle. So you see this right here in the middle. And then all the way up top, if you look up closely, you have all the organic stuff. So this is where we talked about, you got your dead bugs, you got your grass, your leaves, all your organic stuff that decomposes over time. You see how cool that is? How all your heavy stuff is on the bottom. You got your clay, dirt, and then you got all your organic stuff. So don't forget about that. So just make sure you label that. So now we're gonna pause, and then you're gonna go to your scientific journal and then draw what you see here onto your scientific journal. All right? Now, once you're done with that and you're able to draw what you wanted or wrote what you wanted within your scientific journal, explaining what you're observing and your results for this lab, now we're going to return to our learning target, so we're able to remember what we were trying to learn at the beginning of the video when I presented it to you. So our overall learning target is I want us to be able to explain how soil is made and describe what's in it. So we've done that so far throughout our video and throughout the lab. So now, after the experiment, I want you to just think to yourself, what did I observe and what surprised me the most? And then you're gonna also put that on your scientific journal, okay? And the reason we're doing that is because this is gonna help us reflect and see what our but reinforce what we're trying to learn today, and then also just to remember and memorize our material for the day. After we're done with that, you can clean up, put your stuff to the side, and before we head out, we're just gonna do a quick exit ticket. So I want you just to write or draw 2 things you liked or learned about soil today. And then once you're heading out the door, I'll be collecting that as your exit ticket. So thanks for being amazing students today. And remember, soil is more than dirt. It's full of life and layers. Keep asking questions and see you next time. Thank you.